Welcome to the first edition of Coach Lew Tries It. Today we are doing pork rinds, microwavable, kind of like a bag of popcorn. Lowry's microwave pork rinds, also known as chicharrones. We're going to shake it, we're going to microwave it, we're going to watch it and open it. Normal macros, fat, protein, no carbs. We'll see how this goes. All right, time for the big reveal. It's popped up, shaky. We got Stockton to join us. It's maybe about half full. Well, you guys pull it out, Stockton. Let's see what you think. You want one? You gotta try one if you're helping.
No.
Ooh, Stockton thinks
Do I have to?
Have you had one before? Try it for real. You might like it.
It's so small that I don't like it.
So good.
It smells so bad.
It does smell funky, but they're good. It's kind of like a pop rock almost. It's like crispy in your mouth.
But it's not sweet.
It's not sweet, but it's warm, crispy, very crunchy. Eat it.
I'm scared to eat it with the puppy.
3, 2, 1, go. What do you think? Well, looks like a snack just for the boys. Till next time, Snack World. We'll be seeing you.
I need water. It's so gross.
Stockton, 1 thumb up or 2? 2 thumbs up.
I say 0.
Thanks for joining us on the first edition. Hope you like it.